Transform your life in 30 days. Welcome to my channel. In today's fast-paced world, it can be difficult to prioritize health and fitness. But maintaining a healthy lifestyle is crucial for long-term well-being. Eating a balanced diet and engaging in regular physical activity are two key components of a healthy lifestyle. When it comes to eating, it's important to consume a variety of nutrient-dense foods to meet your body's needs. This includes fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Avoiding processed and sugary foods is also important for optimal health. In terms of physical activity, it's recommended to get at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous aerobic exercise per week, along with muscle strengthening activities at least 2 days per week. This can include activities such as brisk walking, running, cycling, weightlifting, or yoga. Proper hydration is also essential for maintaining health and fitness. Drinking enough water throughout the day can help regulate body temperature, transport nutrients, and flush out toxins. It's important to approach health and fitness holistically, taking care of both physical and mental health. Prioritizing rest and stress management is also crucial for overall well-being. Remember, small changes can lead to big results. Incorporating healthy habits into your daily routine can have a profound impact on your health and quality of life. So take a step towards a healthier you today, and start reaping the benefits. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment below.